Oh, Deb, we got a super special girl here, don't we?
Yes, we do. This is Dallas. Dallas is one of our 5 dogs that we got from Houston after the hurricane hit them. So she's been evacuated twice. She's super special. She was already in a shelter system for about 4 months in Houston before we got her. And basically what happened in Houston is they needed to empty up their shelters to make room for their refugees and everything else that happened there. So she came to us. We had a great rescue partner that drove them out here, and Dallas is one of them. She's a great girl. During Irma, she was in a foster home. They said she was probably the best dog. You know, she's completely ready to go. Was housebroken, super sweet, good with everybody in the house. The only thing is she doesn't like cats, but she's just a super sweet, super loving dog. Walks really well, very affectionate.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
So she's been, we've had her for less than 2 weeks and she's been through a lot, but she's got a great heart. She loves water.
Yeah.
As you can see. So I don't think the beach would be too intimidating for her. It's a great all-around dog.
What a great thing you'd be doing to give this girl finally a nice stable home.
She's gorgeous.
And yeah, she is so pretty, and fair skies and gentle breezes. So please come see her. This is Dallas, named of course for most of them named for towns in Texas, aren't they?
Yep, we had Houston, Dallas, Katy, Texas, Abilene, and Austin.
Oh. Well, please come on over and see Big D. Dallas, she's at the Nassau Humane Society, 639 Airport Road in Fernandina Beach, across the street from the city airport. We're all hurricane survivors now, and this girl's going to win your heart. Please come see Dallas.